All right, Sam here. I want to go over the sizes and kind of how you can order the SeamKing product. We're starting to get more and more orders come in from distributors and from fabricators. And I know as we're getting the product out into the market, I just kind of want to go over what sizes we have available now, because obviously it's changed since our first launch. So I just want to get some clarification out there to everybody on how you can order the SeamKing product. So the first thing we have is the King's pouch, and the King's pouch is a 3-liter pouch of resin. You can get the resin in crystal, chameleon, or in our flowing. So this is the 3-liter pouch. We have a 1-liter pouch. As you can see, it's a third the size of the 3-liter pouch. This is also available in the crystal, the chameleon, which is the translucent, and a flowing formula as well. And then recently we have launched the Jester pouch. So the Jester pouch is 300 milliliters, and mostly these are used for samples. So if you're getting these guys, it's not really intended to be an everyday use packet. We're mostly using this to get samples out into the market. So you can get all the pouches individually. If you just want to get a 3-liter pouch, you can. If you just want to get a 10-liter or a 1-liter pouch, you can. Or you want to just get a sample, we sell all of them in those sizes. We also sell what we call the King's Chest, and the King's Chest is 5 3-liter pouches. Comes in a 5-gallon bucket. You get mixing cups, stir sticks. You get 5 4-ounce hardeners with the King's Chest. And so in the King's Chest, you'll get 5 3-liter pouches, 5 hardeners, and sleeves of mixing sticks and cups to mix in. So that's the 3-liter pouch, or the King's pouch, that is available in the King's Chest with the 4-ounce hardeners. You can also get the 1-liter pouches in what we call the Prince pack, and that includes 10 1-liter pouches. It also comes with hardeners, and it's a good sample. A lot of the guys are 90% of our sales are either the King's pouch or this pouch. Just depends on what you guys want. If you're doing a lot more edge lamination and stuff in the shop, it might be nice to have the bigger pouch on it. If you're going out in the field, it might be nice to have a smaller pouch. There's really not a right or a wrong. We just wanted to let you know there is a 3-liter pouch. There is a 1-liter pouch. We can get the King's Chest, which comes with 5 3-liter pouches. You can get the Prince pack, which comes with 10 1-liter pouches. And then the Jesters are just individually, and they're mostly intended for trial. So once you get past the actual pouches of the resin, you can also order the hardeners. We sell the hardeners in a 2-ounce pump kit, and we also have a 4-ounce pump. So if you still have plenty of resin, but you've run out of hardener or something happens with your catalyst, you can order these individually, and you can get these either in the 2-ounce size or in the 4-ounce size. So again, that's what you want to do. If you've got the King's pouch, it's going to come with the 4-ounce. If you've got the 1 quart or the standard pouch, it's going to come with the 2-ounce. When it comes to the pigments, all the pigments are in a 2-ounce pump bottle. There's 32 pigments total. We recommend you buy our 10 pigment kit. That's 10 pigments, and we feel it's probably going to do about 75% of the colors out there. That 10 pigment pack is kind of intended to do the 80-20 rule, where those 10 pigments will do the majority of your colors. Obviously, if you get a special color that's outside of those, you can go ahead and order any of the pigments a la carte and order an individual pigment to build that up. So we think the 10 pigment pack is probably your best value. Of course, you could go ahead and order all 32 pigments and have everything on hand. So if you come across anything and you need it, it's there. But a lot of the shops are ordering the 10 pigment pack. So again, that's kind of how SeamKing is what's available now. We got the 300 milliliter pouch. We've got the 1-liter pouch. And then we have a 3-liter pouch, which is the King's pouch, our standard pouch, and our Jester pouch. And you can get it in a 4-ounce hardener, a 2-ounce hardener, and then all the pigments are available in 2-ounce kits. So hopefully that'll kind of clear up any confusion there might be. I know originally we just had the 1-liter pouches, then we added the King's pouch, and now we've added the Jester pouches. So I just kind of wanted to put them all in a video here so you can kind of see the difference between everything and kind of see what's available so that you can order exactly what's right for you. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to call or reach out. But this is the SeamKing product and how it's available. Appreciate it.